Is your bank feed a mess of uncategorized transactions? Taming it is the key to clear financial reports. Let's get it sorted. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your connected bank feed brings transactions into the Banking tab. Here, you'll see a list waiting for your review. Click on a transaction to open it. QuickBooks often suggests a payee and category check if it's correct. If it's wrong, simply select the right payee from your list and choose the proper account or category from your chart of accounts. Was it office supplies? Or a utility bill? Selecting accurately is what makes your profit and loss statement meaningful. My crucial pro tip? Use the rules feature. For frequent, identical transactions like your monthly internet bill, create a rule to automatically categorize and assign the payee. A few minutes setting up rules saves you hours every month. That's how you turn a pile of bank data into organized, actionable bookkeeping. Are you a fan of rules, or do you prefer to review each transaction manually? Share your preference below. For more tips that save you time, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.